Menteri Ketnat Social Welfare uba apa Lyngdoh ula Pynksan hakabedai bak Jingthung ya ke Agatha Sangma ke Chairperson Jong ke Meghal State Commission for Protection of Child Rights. Da ke ba ai daw bak dai ke belai don bentah hapo ki kam dor ba thau an ke bela biang ke kerdan puli putih bar ke badon ru ek nong rem syakri pai ba. Uba Pol Lyngdoh ula pensyai baka Jingthung ya ke Sangma kala long hadian beladep ban bishar benia ben peben bat hadian ru ba ikertong balajet ningkong ila wengker tengno ila dia. Ula kentat ya ke jingkeno baka don kenu ke jingesha liang shiliang khamat haga ba ula banjur lo ka jingdon kam jong ke kedan puli putih bat kiwe dia.
Important matter which I have also shared with you in the past was that we had already approached and identified an individual whom we had recommended as chairperson of the Child Rights Commission. I think on Saturday last when we had met as a cabinet, the name of Ms. Agatha Sangma was proposed. This was after we have done due diligence on the matter, considering her experience in Parliament, considering her educational qualification, and also considering the fact that she has had long innings in public service.
Nong ilam ke liang persya o Dr. Mukul Sangma